Okay, this is no joke. I'm being serious. We've all gotten alerts on our phones about this. It's raining outside. The siren's been going off for the past 3 minutes. The lights have cut out a couple of times. Oh shit, there it starts again. I think I'll be alright. Also, to prove that this is happening right now, as a matter of fact, if you go and look up at the Indiana Weather Services, you should see something about a possible tornado. So, yeah, just to prove what's happening. I'm not lying. I'm being honest. Siren is loud as hell. In the bathroom making this. Luckily, the power's come back on. It's cut out about half, like once or twice, but other than that, there's not much going on. Everybody's a little bit worried, but not much should happen. We'll be alright. Kinda crazy, though. Well, see you guys.